Hello everyone, welcome to your channel Botany Now. This is Jyotirmay Nanda. In our previous series, we have discussed the father of different branches in biology. In this series, we will talk about the different types of vitamins, its chemical name, sources and diseases which occur due to the deficiency of these vitamins. I hope you all like this video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more video and press the bell icon for notification. Before going to vitamins and deficiency diseases, we have to know what are vitamins. Vitamins are group of organic compounds that are essential for normal growth and nutrition. And these are required in small quantities in the diet because these vitamins cannot be synthesized by the body. The vitamins are divided into two types, that is the fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. What do you mean by fat soluble vitamins? Vitamins that can dissolve fats and oils are known as fat soluble vitamins. These are absorbed along with fats and can be stored in body's fatty tissue. These fat soluble vitamins are categorized into four types, that is vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. So first is vitamin A. The chemical name of vitamin A is retinol. The sources from where we find vitamin A are orange, carrot, apricots, broccoli, etc. Then the diseases that are caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A are xerophthalmia, keratomalacia, retardation of growth. Then vitamin D. Vitamin D is again of two types, that is the D2 type and D3 type. The chemical name of D2 type is cholecalciferol and the chemical name of D3 type is orgocalciferol. The sources from where we find vitamin D are fish liver oils, cereals, mushrooms, egg yolks, etc. Then the diseases that are caused due to deficiency of vitamin D are osteomalacia, osteoporosis, fragile teeth, etc. Then vitamin E. The chemical name of vitamin E is tocopherol. The sources are almonds, peanuts, soybean oils, corn, spinach, etc. Then the diseases that are caused due to the deficiency of vitamin E are reversible sterility, muscular atrophy, etc. Then vitamin K. Chemical name of vitamin K is phylloquinone and the sources are cauliflower, cabbage, avocado, pomegranate, tomatoes, etc. Then the disease which is caused due to the vitamin K is hemorrhage. Then comes to water soluble vitamins. What do you mean by water soluble vitamins? Vitamins that dissolves in water and is easily absorbed into the tissues of the body is known as water soluble vitamins. There are 12 types of water soluble vitamins. First is vitamin B1. The chemical name of vitamin B1 is thiamine and the sources from where vitamin B1 is found are dried milk, oats, legumes, peas, etc. Then the diseases that are caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B1 are beriberi, polyneuritis, gastrointestinal disorders, etc. Then Then vitamin B2. The chemical name is riboflavin and the sources are asparagus, broccoli, grain products, eggs, etc. Then the diseases that are caused due to vitamin B2 are glossitis, loss of hairs, etc. Then vitamin B3. The chemical name is pantothenic acid and the sources from where we find vitamin B3 are fish, chicken, brown rice, green peas, etc. Then the diseases are retarded growth, early aging in man, etc. Then vitamin B5. The chemical name is nicotinic acid and the sources are mushrooms, peas, dairy products, egg, oats, etc. The diseases that are caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B5 are pellagra, polyneuritis, etc. Then vitamin B6. The chemical name of vitamin B6 is pyridoxine and the sources from where we find vitamin B6 are soya beans, bread, fish, etc. Then the diseases that are caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B6 are dermatitis, anemia, vomiting, etc. Then vitamin H, which is also known as vitamin B7. The chemical name of vitamin B7 is biotin. The sources are red meat, eggs, nuts, sweet potato, and the disease that caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B7 are skin lesions, loss of appetite, growth failure, etc. Then vitamin B9. The chemical name of vitamin B9 is folic acid. The sources are asparagus, Brussels sprout, beans, fresh fruits, etc. And the diseases that are caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B9 are anemia, nutritional disorders, etc. Then vitamin inositol. Its chemical name is also folic acid. The sources are citrus fruit, corn, sesame seeds, etc. And the diseases that are caused due to the deficiency of inositol are allocepia, hemorrhage in kidney, etc. Then vitamin B12. The chemical name of vitamin B12 is cyanocobalamin and the sources from where we find vitamin B12 are yogurt, cheese, chicken, eggs, etc. Then the diseases are pernicious anemia, hyperglycemia. Then lipoic acid. The sources from where lipoic acid is found are potatoes, spinach, broccoli, yeast, etc. Then the diseases that are caused due to the deficiency of lipoic acid is disorders in enzymatic action. Then vitamin choline. The sources from where we find choline are rice, pasta, meat, fish, beets, wheat, etc. Then the disease that is caused due to the deficiency of choline is cirrhosis. Then vitamin C. The chemical name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid and the sources are green and red peppers, winter squash, cauliflower, etc. The diseases are scurvy, delayed of wound healing, loss of immunity, etc. So these are all about the vitamins and the deficiency diseases. Question of this lecture is loss of appetite is caused due to the deficiency of. The options are vitamin B7, vitamin B9, vitamin B5 and vitamin B1. Dear students, try to give the correct answer of this question in the comment box.